Hi everyone, I'm TJ Becca Elefante from BSHM Block 14. So today, I'm going to share my reaction about IoT or Internet of Things. The Internet of Things or IoT connects everyday devices to a network so they can collect and share data, improving the user experience and boosting efficiency. From smart home, appliances, and cars to wearable technology, IoT uses embedded sensors to constantly stream valuable data. IoT platforms collect and analyze that data, allowing for automation and timely responses such as predictive maintenance in manufacturing. With billions of devices and substantial revenue predicted for the IoT industry in the future, there are significant job opportunities in the IT sector. The Internet of Things brings several advantages, including increased convenience through task automation and remote device control, which streamlines daily activities from managing home appliances to optimizing travel routes with smart vehicles. In manufacturing, IoT boosts efficiency by enabling real-time monitoring and predictive maintenance, thereby reducing downtime and enhancing productivity. It also promotes improved decision-making by offering extensive data for analysis, allowing for optimized processes and better resource allocation. Retailers benefit by tracking inventory effectively to meet our customer needs. Additionally, IoT optimizes resource use across various sectors, with smart devices adjusting to user requirements and enhancing the overall quality of life, such as through health monitoring that enables faster medical responses and smart traffic systems that alleviate congestions. There are few downsides or disadvantages to consider when it comes to IoT devices. First off, they really need a stable internet connection, otherwise they can become useless, which can be a big problem in critical situations. Also, making sure all these devices work smoothly together can be tricky, mainly because there's no standard way of doing things. On top of that, since everything's connected, these devices can be targeted by hackers, putting personal data at risk. Not to mention, the initial cost for setting everything up can be pretty steep, making it harder for some businesses and individuals to jump on board. I think the biggest value of IoT is the ability to streamline data collection and analysis so companies can make better decisions. For instance, IoT devices with sensors can monitor machine health and production details in AC manufacturing, distribute products with barcodes, and track retailers' inventory, all to minimize downtime and increase customer satisfaction. This seamless integration of data and analysis is critical to optimize processes and increase efficiency, much like I do in delivering relevant information to users. But despite these benefits, there are also security and privacy concerns surrounding IoT devices. The fact that these devices are connected makes them susceptible to hacking and data breaches, which means that personal information may not be as secure as we think it is. These issues would need to be worked out before the widespread adoption of IoT devices is considered safe and beneficial for all users. The Internet of Things or IoT encompasses a network of connected devices such as household appliances and vehicles equipped with sensors that gather and share data. This information is analyzed to provide insights, enhancing user experiences and automating tasks. In various industries like manufacturing, IoT enables real-time monitoring, allowing for proactive maintenance and inventory management via product barcodes. It also alerts service teams about appliance issues, showcasing its broad application that improve operational effectiveness. IoT is transforming our daily interaction with technology, leading to the development of smart appliances, homes, and cities. With projection of 24 billion IoT devices by 2020 and potential revenues of $375 billion by 2019, the market is on the rise, likely creating many IT job opportunities, safe and beneficial for all users. While IoT or Internet of Things brings many perks like increased convenience and efficiency, we need to handle it with care due to concerns about data privacy and potential overdependence on technology. A balanced approach to implementing IoT is key to ensuring it enhances our lives without compromising our security.